Hello. I am so excited to be filming again. Oh my gosh. It has been like a month since I filmed a video and I'm so excited to be back. And today is going to be so much fun because it's a solo trip and we're going hiking, and I haven't gone hiking in a minute. So I'm so ready. Oh my gosh. I missed filming on this camera. I love it so much. Okay, I'm going to go finish packing my bag for a trip, and then when we get in the car, I'll tell you where we're going and all that jazz. So we're going to Mississippi and we're going to a state park there to do some hiking. There's biking trails there that I want to check out, but I don't really, if you don't remember the Arkansas video, I'm not a great biker. So I don't really think I want to go biking by myself yet. I'm not there yet, but I'm down for a solo hiking trip. I'm gonna bring my Cotopaxi bag, and I'm trying to figure out, I don't have much food here. So I don't know, I wanna like pack lunch, but I don't have like bread or cheese to like make a sandwich. So we might just be packing candy. Hello, Hug. Hello. You want to say hello? You want to say hello? Hello. I made a candy salad. It's on my TikTok if you wanna see it. But I like remade it. So I think we're gonna pour some of this into a Ziploc bag, and that's gonna be like my lunch while on the trail. If I have Ziploc bags, I don't even know. The only Ziploc bag I have is fucking huge, but it'll work, it'll get the job done. Please, hey, get out of there. I'm sorry if like I seem, like I said, I haven't filmed like a YouTube video in a month. So like, I need to like get into like feeling comfortable like filming again. It's Christmas themed, I don't know if I said that. So I'm like still figuring all of this out. Like I'm like trying to remind myself, like I don't need to be like quiet. Like this is my fucking, like I don't need to be embarrassed. This is my video. This is what I like to do. Like I can do it. Everything is fine. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so yummy. Okay, let me keep packing. I'm also just super excited to like do something solo. Like I'm sure we'll talk about it plenty in the video, but like being outside like by yourself is like a next level kind of like happiness or like peace, I guess you'd say. I love like, you know, going hiking with my friends and my family, but I'm stealing Joseph's snacks. I'm definitely stoked to go by myself, like really have just a good day. And I also think that's all I need. We're only doing a day trip, so I feel like I don't need that many snacks. And I've got my water bottle somewhere. I don't know where. Okay, I hope I'm not forgetting something, but knowing me, I probably did forget something. And honestly, perfect timing because it just started fucking raining here. So I'm so stoked to be getting out of here. Oh, I'm so ready. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. I hope they don't give me problems trying to get out of here. It's a long story that you don't even care about, but hopefully we don't have issues. I don't know if we need gas. Oh, we should probably go get gas. Also, my water bottle is just ice pretty much. Oh wait, it melted some. Oh, and it's covered in hair. Oh, okay. The drive is only like an hour. Also the rain. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, hopefully this goes good. I'm not in my car right now. I'm borrowing my dad's car because something happened to my car. So I haven't really driven this thing like far. Not that an hour is far, but we'll see how it goes. We're gonna go to the gas station first. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get my backpack on. I just got here. I don't really know where I'm supposed to go. There's a good bit of cars here. Not much though, but so I assume to park here. But we're gonna go try and find the trailhead or a trailhead. what the little thing looks like. So I think we're gonna go this way. I guess we'll start this way. Are you supposed to walk up there?
Yes.
Okay.
That you've been missing prescription made painkiller. Count your blessings early, for the lotto hit the gates. Winning's for the lucky, living just takes painkiller. Living just.
I definitely would not say this is the best beginner hike. I am so out of breath. Oh my God. 1 trail, 2 trails, 3 trails. I guess I'll take this one.
Met her in a backyard years ago, in a town I didn't know. I never got her name.
So I can't find the rest of the waterfalls. Ugh. I walked the entire way like this is the end. almost like a mini dam, which is so cute. Oh. 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 I still have to pee so bad, y'all. When I tell you I peed at the perfect time. Right as I was tying my pants up, like a group of kids came up. I was like, oh god. Going up these steep ass little steps. Honestly, not the worst part of this hike at all, but everything here is so steep. Jeez, give me a break. Like, what the hell? I'm supposed to... Oh my god. To be out here today because I'm really trying to focus on, you know, self-reliance recently, and I've been doing really good. I feel like not depending on other people to go do something or, you know, find happiness and shit like that. So being here by myself really is like helping me realize that like if I want to truly like find happiness for the rest of my life, you know, find contentment within being by myself. And this is really helping. Like, this is like almost like a retreat, you know? I love it. I'm not ready to go. I think I'm gonna sit here a while and then we'll continue on to the trailhead. In my opinion, I think the first waterfall is the best one, and honestly the rest, like, if I would have known, I would have spent my whole day just swimming at the first one and then stopping by the second one and see if it was crowded, and if it wasn't, play on those rocks. The other waterfalls just like weren't really worth it for how long the hike is, I don't think, but that's my opinion for next time. That was fun. It was a lot though. I think we were there for 3 hours. I'm out of breath. I am exhausted, but it was beautiful. It was really pretty. I love seeing all the different colored leaves. That blew me away. My feet are killing me. I took off the shoes. I'm gonna drive into it a little bit more to see if there's anything else, like just out of curiosity. And then I think there might have been a little shop at the front, but I don't think that has anything to do with the Clark's Creek. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna at least drive past it. We might not go in because if it's not like anything to do with this. Also, I don't have the money to spend at a gift shop right now, and I'm hungry. But we have time to spare. I am in no rush, so I'm gonna drive deeper and see if there's anything else out of curiosity. So in case you come here, you know if it's worth continuing the drive forward. Let's go. Gift shop, pond store. That's cool. Look at these little donkeys running. Wait. Here we are. Hey, good. Yes. was really, really yummy. My belly is so full. Their chips, they were like baked, I don't know, but they were so good. The salsa was so good. They literally just have meat burritos. Like, it's just a burrito that only has steak in it, and then it's covered in queso. It's literally just steak and queso. So you have so much steak, they can't drip you out because it's the only thing in there. It was good. I think I spent 25 bucks, and I tipped like $6 on my belly. Only thing about it was there wasn't many people in there, but there was like 6 people like working, and so like they would keep coming to my table. I was just like, please leave me alone. So like I felt rushed, so I was like, okay, I gotta go. But which sucked because I wanted to finish my food there, but I felt weird, so I took it to go. I guess that's the end of this video. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna go anywhere else, but I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a great day. I'm super tired, and I'm gonna take a really long bath though to treat myself, to end this Saturday on a good note. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna get back into posting more by just like as soon as I get paid, like put money aside so I can go on little trips. So I don't have to wait a month long of saving to go on a trip. So yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know like in the comments what you think, what you would want to see in videos, if you want me to like do more talking, less talking, because I feel like I talked a lot in this video and I'm doing it again right now. I want to know what other people want to see on YouTube. Like, I just want to know so I can make better videos, and TikToks. I need to make better TikToks to really, you know, get my YouTube channel out there. Thank you so much. Bye.